Hello everyone, welcome to History Aura. Today's topic is
Islam, a religion of submission to Allah. Islam is a monotheistic religion that derives its name from the Arabic word, Islam, meaning, submission to Allah. A Muslim is someone who believes in and follows Islam. Globally, the population of Muslims is growing rapidly. Arrival of Muslims in India. Muslims came to India through three main ethnic groups: Arabs, Turks, and Persians. Forms of arrival. 1. As traders. Early Muslim traders arrived in India, especially on the Malabar Coast of Kerala. Through trade, they integrated into the local society. 2. As invaders. Muslim invaders came to conquer India, bringing their armies and influential leaders. 3. With Sufi saints. Sufi saints spread Islam peacefully, emphasizing spirituality and universal brotherhood. 4 pillars of prestige in Islam. 1. Allah, the supreme creator and ultimate authority. 2. Prophet, messengers of Allah, especially Prophet Muhammad. 3. Khalifa, religious and political successors in Islam. 4. Sultan, regional and political rulers. 2 major sects of Islam: Shia and Sunni. Sharia, the Islamic law. Sharia is the body of Islamic law derived from Quran, the holy book. Hadith, sayings of Prophet Muhammad. Ijma, consensus of Islamic scholars. Qiyas, analogical reasoning.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video with a new topic.